Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Instagram. So first, launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into the account you wish to deactivate if you are not already signed in. And tap on your profile picture or the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. And once on your profile, you have to locate and tap the three horizontal lines or the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, and this will open the settings menu, and you have to tap on the settings and privacy over there. And within the settings you can see there's an account center on the top. Tap on that, and you have to simply scroll a bit down over here. There's your informations and permissions under the account settings right here. Tap on that option as well, and here we can see account ownership and control, which is on the bottom. You can simply select that option, and here we can see there's a deactivation or deletion option. Tap on that, and within the setting you have to tap on the account option, and you can see there's a deactivate account which is already there, so you have to stick with that option and tap on the continue, which is on the bottom. And here we are required with our password as well to temporarily disable your account. After you enter your password, you can simply tap on the continue. And Instagram will also ask you to choose a reason for deactivating your account from the provided option. And after making your selection, tap on the continue. And here we can see there's a deactivate account on the screen. Tap on that, and Instagram will inform that your account has been disabled and you will be logged out of the app. And to reactivate your account, simply log back in with your credentials. Your account will be fully restored and all your data will remain intact. And you have successfully taken a hiatus from Instagram by deactivating your account, and this temporary break allows you to step back without permanently losing your profile and content. So when you're ready to dive back into the Instagram world, simply log into the reactivate your account and resume your digital journey. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.